Here we have a very, very nice 2011 Commodore automatic. This is a really, really, really nice Commodore. It's got the alloys, the tints, it's got the big screen stereo. Have a look inside. It is like new. Dual zone aircon, all the power windows. Just a beaut car. 2011, we're going to ask $999 for this. Auto Commodore in very, very good condition. Tyres are like new, no scratches, dents, tints are all clean and nice. And I think it might have November next year rego, but I have to check that. If you want a really nice Commodore for your family that's going to last a long time, jump onto carsell.com.au. You can apply online there, just click on the finance tab. This car could be yours in a couple of days. 2011 Commodore for $9,999. It will come with a warranty for the length of the loan if you buy it from us at Carsell. So jump onto carsell.com.au and this could be yours. You could be driving away in a couple of days.